Oh snap, you know what this is? You know what this is? Huh? That's Marvel. You know what this is? This is my PC. Well, these are a bunch of parts, but I'm about to build my own PC. Oh my god. Alright, so tonight I am building my own PC from scratch. That's right, baby. I have never built a PC. I'm excited, anxious, a little nervous, a little bit, you know, because if I sneeze wrong, you know, it could break. If I sneeze wrong, I don't have a computer. But I mean, like, it's okay, you know? If I generate static electricity, everything that's there can just fry. Okay, and I'm back. So that was a minor meltdown, not really, like, cause it's like not real, as a meltdown. But I am building a PC. It's been like a dream of mine for like a long time because, yeah, dude, it's awesome. You know, I could do a lot of stuff on it and I can make it how I want to make it for so much cheaper than just buying it, right? I'm excited. So I'm not going to film every single step of the process because I do want to pay attention and I actually want to focus and I don't want to like mess anything up because, you know, I mean, like, not that like money matters or anything, but like I did put a little bit of money and like if I did that it would just like bloop. Yeah, so I've also never built one myself, so I don't know if the video would be like 3.5 hours or maybe 18 hours. You never know because like it's like a thing, but I will say you will see some stuff. All right, here I go, and that's where I'm gonna build it. Actually, no, let me set up my workbench. Hold on, be right back. And there goes my workbench. Actually, it's not fully set up. Hold on, let me get my tools. Boom, there go my tools. Actually, my tools aren't there. I actually got this, baby. Bam! This is an anti-static mat. That is gonna make sure that my things don't get fried. The cool thing with this, I believe it comes with an anti-static bracelet. Oh, yeah. Boom! There goes my tool. I think all I need is a Phillips head and maybe a couple other things, but I brought a couple other things. Hold on, give me a second. Bam! 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 Oh, wait. Why we got this? I mean, you know, if I want to open the parts and stuff. Bam! Because you need scissors. I mean, I guess so. Bam! There go my tips. Bam! There go my other tips. Bam! Just in case if I need to do some wire management. I mean, this is not the end of... Huh? It's not the end goal, okay? Bam! Look at that bad boy right there. It's a flashlight. You know what I'm saying? Just in case we need a flashlight. Just to look in, you know. I don't know. All right, I got my super bright lights out here just to make sure that I can see what I'm doing. I'm a little excited. I'm actually really excited. I'm super anxious though, but I guess I'm gonna help them. What? Okay. All right, so I'm about to start. I'm gonna set up my workbench. See, I told you I needed scissors. Bam! Stop moving. Now I'm gonna go get my power supply so I can get myself grounded. Get it? Like, you know, no jokes tonight. We gotta pay attention. For my processor, I got an AMD Ryzen 7. I think it's a 3700X. For my GPU or my graphics card, I got a GeForce RTX 27 Super NVIDIA, baby. And to house everything, I got this motherboard. The Asus ROG Crosshair, I believe 8 Hero. Oh, I got two G-Skill rib jaws, 16 gigabytes each, so it's gonna be 32 gigs of, what? 32 gigabyte RAM, baby. For internal storage, I got a solid state drive, 1 terabyte, Samsung, baby. And to keep my processor cool, I got this behemoth Noctua NH-D15. It's big, it's a mammoth. I mean, it's pretty much like a mammoth. But it's supposed to be good, at least for what I'm doing. Obviously, I had to get a mouse. For my keyboard, I got a SteelSeries Apex Pro. Oh, RGB. This is going to be my power supply, aka my grounding unit, to make sure no static. I've got my monitor in the room. It's an LG. Oh, we're gonna wait, you know, to do all that, but you know, I'm so excited. I'm gonna set this up and I'm gonna start building. Peace out. Oh, dude, look at that. Oh. Okay, so I have the processor in, and that was pretty, you know, it's usually the scary one. Oh, I got the RAM installed, baby. Oh. All right, so I just installed the internal storage, my solid state drive, baby. Oh. All right, so I got the heatsink on. This took a little bit of time, just because, you know, It's first time for everything, right? They included a bracket. I didn't need that bracket, and then I saw some stuff on the back of my motherboard, and I was like, wait a minute, wait, what's that? So I had like a little moment, because I was a little hungry. I still am, but yeah, crisis averted. And then I added these little babies, you know, because we got to have a little accent, and then I'm about to put a little heat sink cover. Oh, yeah. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. I got the motherboard in there, baby. Oh. So we did some wire management. I got some little RGB down here. I got this little GPU, little mount, whatever you call it, to make it prevent from sagging. Yeah, everything's in here, I'm pretty sure, and I think I'm about to test it. Oh my god. Alright, so I actually decided to bring it in here because this is where it's gonna be. On top of that, I need a network cable, I'm pretty sure, to kind of do the doohickey. Alright, let's just find out, okay? Okay, so last night I ran into a little problem where my computer didn't post. Essentially, it didn't turn on. Well, it turned on, but, you know, the GPU wasn't necessarily displaying on the monitor, so I went to bed a little upset. But I'm not entirely sure. I think I'm situated. I don't know. All right, I have finally gotten everything that I've wanted to do with my PC, essentially cable management, lighting, all that jazz, which I did during the build, but I didn't have one of the extra LED strips, which I wanted to essentially do before I showed you guys, and I also got some other things. Here we go.